Hi everyone, this is Deepthi Stephens and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very colorful watercolor sunflower card featuring Sunflower Thinlit Die by Sizzix Lifestyle. This die set contains 4 Thinlit dies and I'm running all of them through the Big Shot Plus machine with heavy weight cardstock in white. Now I'm going to watercolor all the die cuts using this watercolor paints. Nothing fancy, just my favorite watercolor technique, loose watercoloring. Here I have a card panel which is also a heavy weight cardstock, and I'm going to loosely watercolor the background in dark blue watercolor paint. In between I'll be adding splatters of water, blue paint and white paint to add more texture to the background. I'm going to adhere everything with Tacky Glue and stamping a sentiment from craft angles with Archival Jet Black Ink. I also embellished the card with a few clear sequins in different sizes. And that finishes the card for today. I hope you liked it. All the supplies are listed below in the description box, and also please visit my blog for more details. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.